In this detailed video, you will learn the complete process of applying a sealer and protective coating on terrazzo. Stairs before the polishing stage. Proper preparation is one of the most important steps in achieving a smooth, durable, and professional finish. Whether you are a beginner, a construction worker, a tile installer, a terrazzo specialist, or a homeowner interested in learning professional finishing techniques, this guide will help you understand every essential step involved in preparing terrazzo stairs for polishing. Terrazzo stairs are widely used in residential, commercial, and public buildings because of their durability, elegant appearance, and long lifespan. However, achieving a beautiful final result requires careful preparation before polishing begins. Many people focus only on the polishing stage, but experienced professionals know that the quality of the final shine depends heavily on the preparation process. Applying the correct sealer before polishing can help protect the surface, improve the final finish, reduce imperfections, and enhance the natural beauty of the terrazzo. In this video, we start by examining the condition of the terrazzo stairs and identifying any areas that need attention. Before the sealer is applied, surface cleanliness is crucial because dust, dirt, debris, and construction residue can interfere with the adhesion of the sealer. You will see how proper cleaning techniques help create an ideal surface for the next stages of the project. Next, we explain the importance of inspecting the terrazzo for minor defects, uneven spots, and surface irregularities. Understanding these details allows professionals to achieve better polishing results later. Careful preparation ensures that the sealer performs effectively and provides the desired protection. The video also demonstrates how to prepare tools and materials commonly used during the sealing process. Proper tool selection can improve efficiency, reduce material waste, and help achieve a more consistent finish across the entire staircase. Attention to detail at this stage is one of the factors that separates professional workmanship from average results. You will learn how to apply the sealer evenly across each stair tread and riser. Consistency is important because uneven application can affect the appearance of the final polished surface. We discuss techniques that help ensure complete coverage while maintaining a clean and professional workflow. Throughout the video, we share practical tips that professional terrazzo installers use on real construction sites. These techniques can help improve work quality, save time, and reduce common mistakes that often occur during preparation. Even experienced workers can benefit from reviewing best practices and refining their methods. Another important topic covered in this tutorial is understanding the role of sealers in terrazzo finishing systems. Sealers can help reduce surface absorption, improve stain resistance, and prepare the material for later finishing stages. By learning the purpose of this step, viewers gain a better understanding of the entire terrazzo finishing process. The tutorial continues with a detailed look at proper working methods around stair edges, corners, and difficult areas. These sections often require additional attention because they can influence the overall visual quality of the finished staircase. Taking extra care in these areas contributes to a more professional and attractive final appearance. As the project progresses, you will see how experienced craftsmen maintain consistency from one step to the next. Professional results are achieved through patience, precision, and attention to detail. Small improvements made during preparation can have a significant impact on the final polished finish. This video is designed to provide educational value for viewers interested in terrazzo installation, staircase finishing, floor preparation, construction techniques, and professional polishing methods. By following the concepts demonstrated in this guide, viewers can better understand the workflow